Hey YouTube, here in the garage today. This is a 1989 150 horsepower Mercury tilt trim assembly. I'm going to show you how we can bench test this guy to see if it's working properly. This is the 3-wire assembly, as you can see here. I already got my black wire connected to my battery on the black. I'm not exactly sure which one is green or blue. That'll get you up or down. Let's see. Motor's running. Oh, green's putting that up. Oh, my mistake. It would be blue that goes up, and then green's going to take you down. This assembly works here.